Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to generate an API key in Copper CRM. All right, I'm going to be showing you two ways. One with Zapier and second one is by the Copper CRM itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the top left right here in your profile. Click on Workspace Settings. Okay, down here, you're going to want to find in this tab or section, Integrations. Okay, click on it. Now this is for Copper CRM. Click on API keys. Now you're going to want to click on Generate API key and give this one a name. Okay, for example, DocuSign X Copper. Okay, and once done, if it needs a API key, copy this one, just double click on it. And if it needs a username, okay, go ahead and copy your email address, okay, or the email address that is below your name. Now the other one, we have Zapier. To get the Zapier API key, again, go ahead over to integrations right here in the left panel. Click on it, scroll all the way down. Zapier right here. Just go ahead and click on generate. As you can see here, I already have mine because I've used it already. But that's basically it. That is how you generate an API key in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.